praise our Creator. It's a beautiful day, another grand opportunity to do better than what we did on yesterday. Every day that we try to conduct ourselves, it causes us to be better and better and better. Not better than the next person, that's pride and arrogance. But I should be better than what I was on yesterday, an hour ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago. So I thank our Creator for growth, for maturity. I thank our Creator for self-control, not remote control. It's called self-control. That's when you control yourself, not remote control, where somebody else control you or you blame somebody else for your actions. Thank you, our Creator, for myself control, not remote control. That's for the TV. Peace and one.